One layer is so boring, right? What if there were more than one? Much more? 100 layers! That's the real challenge! It's nice when an ordinary day turns into an interesting one. That's what happened with Sue, for example.
Hey.
Her best friend has a little gift for her today. That's so sweet! Thank you, Pinky! We have to open the box now. That look doesn't bode well. Is this another prank from Pinky? It's all beautifully packaged. But this paper will have to be removed to get to the most important thing, the gift. Wait, there's another layer of wrapping. And another one. Pinky's having a lot of fun. Sue, don't be nervous. It won't be long before you find out what the gift is. What wouldn't you do for a fancy gift from a friend? Even sit for an hour unwrapping those rustling layers of paper. How many of these are there? 100! Tee-hee! The present has sure gotten a lot smaller. When will it end? Yay! Sue did it! She finally freed the gift from the cocoon of wrapping paper. Come on, Pinky. Are you serious? A plastic bug? Sue really doesn't seem to appreciate the gift presentation or the gift itself. Pinky is upset. She tried so hard to be a stinker. Sue is determined to teach her friend a lesson. A 100 layers challenge? Yeah! For 24 hours, we'll solve all conflicts with this challenge. That's a serious dare. Pinky spends at least an hour a day combing her hair. Sue isn't thrilled about that. Everything around her turns into a graveyard of fallen hair. They get everywhere, even on the tangerine. Ugh! Pinky's pink curls are gorgeous, of course, but they just don't taste good. It's time for decisive action. Let's take out that sign. Hopefully, 100 rubber bands will tame your hair. Pinky's not happy about that, but a deal's a deal. Oh, there's a whole collection of cute colored rubber bands. Let's start with 2 ponytails. Nice hairstyle. But Pinky doesn't really like her new look. Maybe put on 98 more and you'll feel better. Using that many hair accessories is no joke. Hair tie after hair tie. It's taking so long! Finally, the last rubber band. How do you like the result? Yeah, well, you definitely have 100 rubber bands in your hair. No offense, but Pinky kind of looks like she just escaped the circus. Also, it's not very comfortable. Sue is happy though. Not a single hair will fall from Pinky's head now. This burger looks delicious. I'm about to go in on it. Eating your lunch while your friend is hungry and lurking around? Not good. She doesn't want to share either. Oh yeah? What about our challenge? That's right. You're about to make a 100-layer burger.
No way.
Right now.
Yeah.
Sue gets to work. No big deal. Just a 100-layer burger. She's so hungry. She'd eat an elephant. A bun, a patty, a piece of cheese, some salad. And keep going until the burger tower grows. Even Pinky is hesitating. This tower won't hold up on a plate. She'll have to help her friend. And Sue is already at the very top. She covered her burger with the 100th bun. Lunch is served. We can finally eat. This girl clearly has a good appetite. Pinky is very proud of her friend. Wow! To build such a tall burger! They must have just set a world record. Is Sue really full? Okay, you can finish the rest on your own. Hey! Wait! That's not fair! This tower needs a little support. Sue's dressing table is in complete order. All the brushes and makeup are in place. Sue is so neat. But as soon as Pinky trespasses into this territory, chaos follows her. There she goes, leaving a trail of destruction in her wake. Pinky is too late to cover up the crime. The mystery is solved. The punishment won't make you wait. 100 false eyelashes on your eyelids, and not a layer less. That's cruel, Sue!
Yeah,
but the girl
all right,
is relentless.
I'll go.
You'll have to do this crazy beauty experiment. The false eyelashes look so cute! But what will happen to Pinky's eyes a little later, after 100 layers? At this rate, she'll use up her entire stock of false eyelashes very quickly. But she has to serve her sentence. That's probably what they call luxurious length. Except you can't see anything at all. Help! Someone lift my eyelids for me! Let Pinky have her fun with false eyelashes. And Sue's having a home spa treatment right now. But how can you relax with Pinky wandering around? It's the 100 Layers Challenge! Remember the false eyelashes, girl? You owe me 100 layers of patches! What a cruel revenge! But Sue has a whole jar of fresh patches at her disposal. They make the perfect moisturizing face mask. Great! 99 patches already in place. And the final touch, the lip patch. It's not a punishment, it's a gift. Such a relaxation for the skin. It's time for a warm bath. What's a spa without water treatment? Sue's nails are almost done. She spent forever making them look nice. Great, here comes Pinky. She's not a friend, she's a hurricane. Oh, look at those nice nails. They look fresh out of the salon. Oh no, my nail polish, it's still wet. Pinky, you ruined everything. Honey, you know what punishment you are getting. 100 false fingernails. Sue, have mercy. Hiding those beautiful nails under the tips is a crime. But Sue's adamant. Tears won't convince her. Here are the nails, and here's the glue. Let's go! Nail by nail, layer by layer. And gradually, the charming manicure turns into a beauty nightmare. You can't go on a date looking like that. And by the way, 100 false nails are so heavy. It's like a sledgehammer. How do you take it all off now? Sue's been on the phone with her boyfriend for an hour. And Pinky, by the way, has an important business here. She seems to know how to take her friend's mind off the phone. The 100 Layers Challenge. Specifically, 100 layers of screen protectors on your phone.
No.
Here's the film. You're welcome. Well, you know, you can't say no. You are the one who came up with the challenge. The test has begun. Turns out Sue is really good at putting safety glass on screens. Everything is perfectly straight. But it's a very tedious task. Pinky even decided to take a nap, but it's time to evaluate the work. That's right, 100 layers! A futuristic smartphone. So original! It's still thinner than phones from 2 decades ago. But there's a bigger problem. The sensor doesn't respond to touch. How do I answer the phone now? Poor Sue! But a challenge is a challenge. Pinky sometimes forgets her manners. Her gum games and constantly bursting bubbles are very annoying. But today, Sue has a chance to teach her friend the rules of good behavior. Pinky, the waxing paste is waiting for you. Since you love anything sticky, you are going to love this punishment, 100 layers. No, Pinky does not love this punishment. Still, she'll have to go for this beauty torture. She has agreed to the strange rules of this multi-layered game. 1, 2, 3 layers. Pinky already has an impressive amount of waxing strips on her arm. And now it's time to tear this miracle off her arm. Oh, it hurts so bad! Are you happy, friend? No, no! Get it away from me! Sue's going to keep her distance from those sticky strips.
No!
The eternal problem. So many clothes and nothing to wear. Sue has been standing in front of the mirror for so long, but she still hasn't decided what to wear to go to a cafe with Pinky. And Pinky's getting impatient, but it looks like it's going to take a long time. I can't wear this, or this, or this. So stop! I know what will stop this fashion reign. The 100 Layers Challenge. Sue, put on 100 layers of clothes. Yay! Outfit outfit problem solved! But for some reason, Sue isn't happy with Pinky's intervention. So the makeover has begun. Pinky's not just going to stand by, of course. She'll help her friend. It's so hard to put all this on. All the clothes in the house come in handy. You have to think about style, tops and pants. And, of course, you need a hat. It's chilly outside today. 99, 100. That looks good on you. Sue, you look killer. Kind of like Billie Eilish, maybe? It's just a little hot, and it's hard to breathe. Fine, you can go take it off. It happens to Pinky, too. She can't pick a pair of socks to go on her walk in the park. Striped or green? That's the question. Girl, hurry up. It's time to go. It's so easy to choose socks. But for Pinky, it's an insoluble dilemma. There's only one way out of this situation. The 100-layer challenge. 100 socks on one foot. Now! Oh no! Oh no! We are going to be late. At least we don't have to think about what to wear. You can just take all your socks in a row. Yeah, Pinky's got socks for every taste. Okay, just one sock left. Oh, done! Even a foot cast would look more elegant than this. How do you expect to walk in the park looking like that? She's gonna need a little help from Sue. Did you like our multi-layered challenge? Let us know some other challenges for Pinky and Sue in the comments. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss more challenges on Troom Select.